day. My name is Tina, and today we are going to try on this PUR palette called Trolls. They have it free today with a $25 purchase. I got it in a bundle the other day and a really great deal on it. This palette is super cute. It has lots of great colors in it, and I thought we'd do a try on with it because hopefully there are lots of you getting this offer, and now it's time to use it. I've already done swatches and everything in my other videos, so today is just the try on. And it is super cold here right now. We're talking, I think it was -15 earlier today. Got my nice warm shirt on, trying to stay warm. Even with my lights, it's still kind of chilly. I'm gonna take Wisdom, which is this nice neutral color right here, perfect for the base shade. Just put that all over my lid. Now I have down a transition shade. I'm going to deepen up my crease with this kind of warm brown right here. And I'm just blending that out as far as I can go. And now I'm going to take this reddy brown orangey burnt orange color that I just love. I'm gonna stick that in my outer corner. Okay, so instead of just keeping it over here, I've blended it up and out and all around because I actually really like that shade and I think it's super pretty. So I'm just really blending it out, clearing it out on these edges. I'm just gonna take a clean brush and really get in there and just blend that. And because I did that, now it's all blended out, I am going to take some more and put it right here. Just packing it on that little outer corner. Well, that is such a pretty color. Frankly, there are days where I would probably just put this over my whole lid and kind of just do a one color look with it because it does. You can build it up or blend it out and create like a multitude of dimension look that is super pretty. I have super hooded eyes, so basically that's all you're seeing at the moment anyways. So now I'm just going to take Karma, which is a gold right here, and I'm going to take a flat shader brush and put that in the center of my lid. So that is a super pretty shade, and I'm going to see if putting a little bit of dampening a little bit will help it even be better. I saw on their website they're using this as a fixing spray, so we're going to try that out. I love the smell of this stuff. Really pops that color up a bit with just a little bit of liquid on it. Finally, because this is going to be a very simple look, I'm going to take Snack Pack, which is a inner shade color, just a nice glittery kind of color, perfect for the inner corner. Okay, I'm just gonna put that on the inner part of my lid. Oh, that color is super pretty. Now I'm just going to, with a clean brush, blend some more. And then I'm gonna take DJ Suki, which is this orange color, awesome name. And I'm just going to build that up on the outer corner on my lower lid. And then I'm just gonna take a tiny bit of the Karma, which is that gold, and I'm gonna place that right in the very center right there. Just in the very center. And then take Snack Pack and bring this all together. There's this other color in here I was thinking about trying. It's called Bridget, which is a nice pink color. Also an inner color also an inner corner color. And I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush and sweep that up here. And that's gonna be it for my eyeshadow. I know that normally when I'm trying out a shadow, I normally go with more colors, but today that orange just really was speaking to me. I really like the way it looks. I don't like the fact that this side seems to not match this side though, so we gotta fix that. To go with this corally orange vibe I've got going on, I'm going to use Tau, which is this orange blush I have. I'm going to tap it off really well. So I'm just going to take some of my highlight from Smashbox. See this orange color? So I'm just going to take a little bit of that and gently come over the top of this, smudge it in with my finger. Just really accenting the coralness of this look. And then I'm going to take the lightest shade here and use that for highlight. on the outer corner because it just, look at that. Hopefully you can see that. I love this highlight. And then I'm just gonna take the lighter shade, or the slightly darker shade in here of that, highlight my nose. So for lipstick, I'm gonna use 2 shades. First, I'm gonna use my Ofra in Nude Potion. And then, just because I've used so much coral and I want to bring a little bit of that into my lips, I am going to take ColourPop Speed Dial, which is kind of a corally color, and I'm just going to put that in the center of my lip, and then just smudge it out. Grab my mascara and eyeliner and that on. Okay, so that's basically my look. Well, that is my look. So I'm just gonna set this in place. And that is my look for today. Let me know if you want me to do another look with this palette, because I didn't really use much of it. I did swatch it the other day, and I love this color and this look I just created with this, even though it is very, very simple. I used a whole 3 shades out of this entire palette, I think. Oh wait, I used 4. Use 4 shades. Sometimes less is more, and this has so many different colors in it, and it's so easy to overwhelm yourself using the really bright pops of color in there. You know, sometimes less is better. I don't wear a lot of makeup on the daily. I tend to favor a CC cream, some eyeshadow, a single color eyeshadow look, and then sweat-proof mascara, and then maybe some lip gloss or something. Let me know if you ever want me to do my super simple everyday look, because I'm happy to do it. It's very neutral. Anybody can do it. Anybody can wear it. It is just my old standby. I've used it for a very long time because it is anywhere appropriate, and it just makes me look like me, but better. I love playing with makeup and creating really bright, vibrant looks and really making my highlights stand out and everything. I think that's so fun, but that isn't always the best look for everybody, and it's certainly not always the best look for every occasion. Just my opinion. You can go to a funeral in full glam if you'd like. I don't care. Alright, I will talk to you guys later. Let me know if you got this palette because it is free today. I saw PUR sent me an email, and I did put that on a video. I know that they had sent out another email saying they're running low on them today, so I doubt that this is going to last till this video gets up, which will probably be Sunday. Probably Sunday. Let me know what you think. And Samson wanted to come say hi. Say hi, Samson. Say hi, Samson. Say hi to the camera. Hi to the camera. Hi, everybody. He hasn't been by in a while. Yeah. He's a whole year old. He was born on New Year's Eve last year. So he is just about done growing. And he's my baby. I love him so much. He's got his little bow tie. Isn't that cute? Look how cute that is. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.